Welcome to the unboxing and introduction of THERMEYE 384M. Hard carrying case, to carry the camera along with accessories. Thermal camera, THERMEYE 384M. Pen drive, to supply reporting software setup and user manual. Batteries, having backup of 4 hours continuous operation. Charger, 2 batteries can be charged simultaneously. Cable, to transfer data from camera to laptops, computers. User manual and calibration certificates. Introduction of THERMEYE 384M. Power on and off. Long press for 3 seconds to switch on or off the camera. Gallery key, to view the clicked images. Navigation keys. Up, down, left, right, to navigate in the menu. Pin back key, to go back to the previous menu or cancel. Confirm key, to select a particular menu feature. THERMEYE 384M has a high-resolution 384 by 288 providing a crystal clear thermal image. Wide temperature range -20 to 550 degrees Celsius to cover a wide range of applications. Wide 3.5-inch color touchscreen display. Applications of thermal camera. Electrical panel, to detect hotspots in electrical panels due to loose connection, overvoltage and current. Motor inspection, for any anomalies due to bearing failure, misalignment and winding issues. Refractory lining, thermal camera is also used to check the insulation of refractory. Building diagnostics, to check moisture buildup in various building walls. For more details, kindly contact the below details.